Saving time with Oracle clips.
Let's jump into another bite-sized video clip about Podman. In this clip, we will look at installing Podman on an Oracle Linux 9 and an Oracle Linux 8 system. For an Oracle Linux 9 system, we use DNF to install the container-tools package, which contains Podman and also a number of other tools for managing containers. But on Oracle Linux 8, we use DNF but install container-tools from a module stream. First, let's install on our Oracle Linux 9 system. We use the command cat/etc/system-release to verify the Oracle Linux version. Here we have version 9. Using the command dnf info container-tools, we see the package contains Podman and some other container tools. We use the command sudo dnf install container-tools to install the package, and hit Y to start the installation. I'll fast forward to save some time here. Using the command dnf info container-tools, we see the package has been installed. And with the command podman version, we see it's working. Now let's switch to our Oracle Linux 8 system and install it there. We verify we have an Oracle Linux 8 system. Here we see version 8. So we use the command sudo dnf module install container-tools :ol8 to install the container tools package from the ol8 module stream. We hit Y to start the installation, and again let's fast forward to save some time. And using the command dnf module list -- installed container-tools, we see the package has been installed. So that's a quick look at how easy it is to install Podman on an Oracle Linux 9 and an Oracle Linux 8 system.
You can see more clips here, and don't forget to subscribe to always get the latest.